Imagine waking up one day, fully aware of everything around you, but unable to move your hands because your spinal cord was injured. Now imagine putting on a robotic glove, simply thinking about moving your fingers, and watching that glove obey your thoughts. It sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? Well, it has just become reality. In a world first, China has officially approved a brain implant for commercial use, developed by Neuroscience Medical Technology in Shanghai, for certain people with spinal cord injuries. This breakthrough could change how paralysis is treated. It also marks a major milestone in the global race to connect the human brain directly with technology. So, what exactly is this brain implant? How does it work? And could this be the beginning of a future where our thoughts control machines? Let's find out.
Think of your brain as the world's most powerful computer. Every time you decide to move your hand, millions of tiny electrical messages travel from your brain towards your muscles. But after a spinal cord injury, those messages can no longer reach their destination. It's rather like having a perfectly working mobile phone, but a broken signal tower. That's where this remarkable new technology comes in. The brain implant, developed by Neuroscience Medical Technology, is a small wireless device about the size of a coin. Instead of sitting deep inside the brain, it rests on the surface covering the brain. It quietly listens to the brain's electrical signals, then sends them to software that translates those signals into commands. Those commands control a robotic glove, allowing some people with partial spinal cord injuries to perform hand movements simply by thinking about them. This technology is called a brain-computer interface, or BCI. In simple terms, it's a translator between your brain and a machine. Now, here's the exciting part. Imagine not being able to hold a spoon, button your shirt, or even pick up a cup of tea. For many people living with paralysis, these everyday tasks can become enormous challenges. If technologies like this continue to improve, they could help restore independence to millions of people around the world. Families could experience less caregiving stress. Rehabilitation could become more effective. Patients might regain confidence, dignity, and a better quality of life. This approval is also important because it moves brain-computer interfaces beyond laboratory research and one step closer to everyday medical care. Around the world, several companies are working on similar technology. One of the best known is Neuralink, founded by Elon Musk. Other American companies, including Synchron and Paralysis, are also running clinical trials. Healthy competition often drives innovation, and that could mean even better treatments in the years ahead. But every breakthrough comes with important questions. This implant still requires brain surgery. Like any operation involving the brain, there are risks, including infection and other possible complications. Researchers have also found that, over time, implants can sometimes move slightly or become surrounded by scar tissue. That can reduce how clearly they receive the brain's signals. Another important point: this device isn't suitable for everyone. It has currently been approved only for people with spinal cord injuries who still have some upper arm movement. Meanwhile, in the United States, brain-computer interfaces are still considered experimental. Although Neuralink has human participants in clinical trials, no brain implant has yet received commercial approval there. Looking ahead, scientists hope these devices will become safer, smaller, longer-lasting, and capable of helping people with many different neurological conditions. The dream isn't simply restoring movement, it's restoring independence. China's approval of the world's first commercially available brain implant marks a remarkable moment in medical history. It shows just how quickly neuroscience, artificial intelligence, and engineering are coming together to tackle some of humanity's greatest challenges. We're still at the beginning of this journey, but one thing already seems clear. The future may not simply be about computers becoming smarter. It may be about helping the human brain do what injury once made impossible. And that could transform countless lives. Now we'd love to hear from you. If a brain implant could restore movement after paralysis, would you personally consider having one? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed today's story, please like, share, and subscribe to Innovative Scientific Discovery for more incredible scientific breakthroughs. Until next time, stay curious.